Are you ready to capture your globe-trotting adventures without lugging around a camera that weighs more than your suitcase? Welcome to the wild world of travel cameras, where lightweight meets high quality, and the only thing you'll stress over is where to take your next selfie. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or lounging on a beach, we've rounded up the best travel cameras that fit perfectly in your backpack and your travel dreams. So let's focus on what truly matters: your memories. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13. Black, our pick for best action travel camera. If you're on the hunt for a high-resolution action camera that effortlessly balances the art of capturing smooth videos and stunning photos, your search ends here with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This little powerhouse boasts a 1/1.9-inch sensor and a versatile 8:7 aspect ratio that means you'll always get the shot you want. Whether you're surfing, snowboarding, or attempting that viral dance trend, you'll notice it looks just like its older siblings. No surprises here. That means all your beloved accessories will still play nice, but hold on to your hats. This time, it comes with a beefier Enduro battery, giving you a sumptuous 2.5 hours of action-packed run time. More time shooting means less time worrying about recharges while you chase adventures. Navigating the camera is a breeze too, with Easy and Pro modes. So whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned pro, you'll feel right at home. Plus, with superior horizon lock and Hyper Smooth 6, you can say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to high-octane stability. Let's break it down. With a 12mm f2.5 lens, a 2.27-inch rear touchscreen, and the ability to shoot movies in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, it's designed for the adventurer in you. Grab the GoPro Hero 13 Black and unleash your inner filmmaker. Epic moments await. Number 4. Sony ZV-1, our pick for best vlogging travel camera. If you're on the hunt for the perfect vlogging companion that feels like it was designed just for you, meet the Sony ZV-1, your ticket to travel vlogging glory. With its fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus, this little marvel keeps your peepers in sharp focus while you ramble about your latest adventure, whether it's a bustling market or a serene beach. That 3-inch flip-out LCD screen? Consider it your personal selfie assistant. It tilts up and down so you can nail that perfect angle without breaking a sweat. Want to stun your viewers with creamy background bokeh? Switch modes and voila, you're the star of the show. The product showcase setting is a game changer, effortlessly transitioning focus from your smiling face to the shiny gadget you're showcasing. Plus, the automatic exposure tracks your face like a loyal sidekick, keeping you lit like a pro, even in less than ideal lighting. Don't worry about pesky background noise ruining your cinematic masterpieces. With a forward directional mic and a detachable windscreen, every word you utter is crisp and clear. And if you fancy upping your audio game, just plug in your favorite mic. With hybrid image stabilization, even your wobbly walking won't send your audience flying. They'll simply feel like they're right beside you, living the adventure. So grab that Sony ZV-1 and let your travel tales unfold. Still searching for the perfect travel camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Ricoh GR IIIx, our pick for best compact travel camera. If you're on the hunt for a pocketable powerhouse that doesn't skimp on image quality, say hello to the Ricoh GR IIIx. This little gem packs an APS-C sensor. Yes, the same sensor you'd expect from those bulky, mirrorless cameras. With its snazzy 40mm f2.8 lens, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for everyday photography. Whether you're snapping street scenes or capturing brunch moments, those rich pin-sharp stills will have you feeling like a pro. Sure, the GR IIIx has its quirks. It lacks a built-in flash and battery life. Let's just say it's more of a quick peak than a long-lasting relationship. Plus, the touchscreen is fixed, and it won't hold up to the rough and tumble treatment of adventure junkies. But hey, You're sacrificing those little annoyances for stellar image quality that will have your friends wondering if you've become a secret photography wizard. With a max ISO of 102,400, sensor shift image stabilization, and multiple metering options, this camera is ready for any lighting situation, perfect for spontaneous city excursions. So, for your next urban adventure, toss this compact marvel in your bag and let it work its magic. After all, in a world of smartphones, having a trusty Ricoh by your side will make sure your memories are as vibrant as your experiences. Number 2. Sony RX100 VII, our pick for best point-and-shoot travel camera. Are you tired of lugging around a bulky camera that feels like you're carrying a small child? The Sony RX100 VII is your compact sidekick, proving that great things really do come in small packages. This little marvel lets you ditch the smartphone for something that makes your Instagram photos actually worth showing off. Thanks to its stacked 1-inch sensor, your travel snaps will radiate quality like a lighthouse cutting through fog. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or that elusive squirrel in the park, the RX100 VII has the zoom range to get the job done without making you break a sweat. And guess what? It fits right in your pocket, so there's no excuse for leaving it behind on your adventures. But let's be real. Compact cameras do come with a battery life that resembles a toddler's attention span. It's short. A backup battery or a trusty power bank is your best friend, ensuring you don't miss that golden hour sunset because you ran out of juice. With standard features like optical and digital image stabilization, plus versatile aspect ratios, this camera caters to your creative whims. So go on, step up your photography game. The RX100 VII is here to make you the envy of every vacationer with a smartphone. Trust us, your fellow travelers will be snapping you with their phones, wondering what your secret is. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. OM System OM5, our pick for best travel camera overall. If you're an intrepid traveler seeking the ultimate companion to capture your escapades, the OM System OM5 has got your back. This little dynamo, part of the Micro Four Thirds family, strikes an impressive balance between portability and image quality, perfect for the wanderlust-riddled soul like yourself. With its compact design, this camera is the travel ninja of the photography world. It slips into your bag without fuss, leaving you room for those essential souvenirs. And don't worry about the weather throwing a tantrum. The OM5 is weather-sealed and built like a tank, so it can handle your adventurous spirit with ease. Say goodbye to shaky shots. Thanks to its stellar 5-axis in-body image stabilization, you can capture smooth, steady footage while vlogging through the chaos of bustling markets or serene landscapes. Just a heads up though, this beauty has a bit of a caffeine dependency. Its battery life isn't the longest. Consider snagging a spare battery or a portable power bank to keep the good times rolling. With a 20.4 megapixel, Micro Four Thirds live MOS sensor, a tilting touchscreen, and 4K video capabilities, the OM5 is ready to help you tell your story in stunning detail. Suitable for both beginners and intermediates, it's the perfect partner for your photographic journey. So, gear up, grab your OM5, and let the adventures begin. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best travel cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which travel camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.